This week, we are going to introduce you to a foundational practice called Ujjayi Pranayama, also known as victorious breath. And more importantly, through the Ujjayi breath, we'll start to understand something more fundamental, more ancient in nature, something called prana, the universal life force. This prana is the powerful energy that literally flows through everything in the universe, including your cells, including your body. Not just your body, it's the energy that fuels your thought, it fuels your creativity, it fuels your thinking. This is the same energy that helps you connect with the nature, the blade of grass, the trees, animals, birds, and this is the same energy that makes each and every cell in your body alive and buzzing. Welcome to the School of Breath. Today we begin a journey, a 9-week journey into something powerful, the journey into the secrets of pranayama. Over the 9 weeks, we'll discover how just switching to conscious breathing can transform your life. Most of us breathe unconsciously and we miss out on the vital aspect of prana. The yogis call this life energy, the energy that is present in each cell of your body. And through pranayama, through these guided pranayamas, we get to awaken it, guide it, and experience its magic in your body every day. Week 1, we unlock the foundational practice of Ujjayi Pranayama. Through Ujjayi Pranayama, we get to overcome the fluctuations of the mind, chitta vritti. This is why Ujjayi Pranayama is also known as victorious pranayama. With Ujjayi Pranayama, we'll find a steady center no matter what life brings. With each Ujjayi breath, with each conscious breath, you'll see how you start claiming victory over your restlessness, distractions, and your stress. And this will help you return to that calm state within. So let's practice together. Find a comfortable seated position, keeping your spine straight. We'll practice this Ujjayi Pranayama in 3 different stages. You can call this beginners, intermediate, and advanced. First, we'll close the eyes to minimize the distractions. In the second stage, we'll engage the sense of touch and sound. In the third stage, we'll go into a little bit of visualization and we'll engage the sense of seeing. So without any further, let's start with the first stage of Ujjayi breathing. In this, we just bring awareness to the passage of the breath. See, as you breathe in, as you become aware of the breath, you'll start noticing that you don't really know the prana itself. You only know when this air touches the passage, whether it's your nostril or your throat or your chest. In the first stage, we become aware of the passage of the air as it touches your body, as it comes through the nostril, passes through the throat, and then eventually goes into your chest. So for the first stage, we'll simply focus on the throat. As you inhale, you constrict the throat a little bit. Imagine you're breathing in and out with a straw in your neck. So as you constrict, you feel the touch of the breath all the way into your throat. And continue focusing on the throat as you exhale, the touch of the breath as it passes through your throat coming out. In all these 3 stages, we'll practice 6 to 8 breathing. That means inhale for 6, hold for 2, and exhale for 8. And we'll maintain this rhythm. Inhale, hold 2, slow exhale 8. Beautiful. Continue. Inhale 6. Hold 2. Exhale 8. Amazing. As you inhale, bring the breath into your belly for 3. Continue filling up your chest for another 3. Hold 2. Exhale 8. Continue focusing on the touch of the breath as you breathe in and out. Inhale 6. Hold 2. Exhale 8. Two more times. Hold 2. Exhale. Inhale 6. Hold 2. And exhale 8. Very beautiful. Now you just follow the rhythm of your breath, natural breath coming in and out, and sit and observe your body for 30 seconds. Beautiful. Slowly start to open your eyes. For precise guidance and the rhythm of the breath, you can download our app, the School of Breath app, from your Play Store or iOS store. Let's go on to the second stage of Ujjayi breathing. Here we go a little bit deeper. First, you're going to close your eyes in this. And second, you'll add a little sound to the breath, the sound that is created by the resistance of the breath as it touches your throat. So this sound is very subtle. If you're practicing with someone, they should not be able to hear your sound. Just you hears your sound. So we add a little sound and engage the sense of hearing. So we go again. Inhale for 6. Hold 2. Exhale 8. Bring your full focus on the breath as you close your eyes. Inhale 6. Hold 2. Exhale 8. 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 Amazing job. Slowly start to open your eyes. Now we built our awareness to the aspect of your breath, which was very subtle in nature. Now we brought this into our awareness through adding sound to the breath. Now let's go on to the third stage. This time we'll imagine the energy flowing through the universe, through the crown of head into your body. As we practice this Ujjayi breath. So again, you continue 6 to 8 breathing, but this time you close your eyes and visualize the universal energies connecting through the crown of your head and going into each cell of your body, rejuvenating, charging, making each cell vital and energetic in nature. So, again, close your eyes, inhale for 6. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. You'll practice this for a whole week every day. For this practice, you have just awakened one doorway to enter to the realm of prana, to understand, to experience your pranic energy. In the second week, we'll go a little deeper and use all these different pranayamas, ancient pranayamas, to understand and study and experience your prana, the pranic aspect of who you are. Next week, we'll go deeper into steadying your mind and your nervous system, making your nervous system a little more grounded. And we'll study this prana in detail in the coming videos, how this prana, when it enters your body, it separates into 5 different vayus. And as you study these values, you create context to understand this prana at the deeper level. And once you have a context, knowledge, then you can experience these 5 values inside your body at a deeper level. And this journey will take to understand our prana through different pranayamas each week. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Prana Activation ebook and guided pranayama meditations. The link is in the description below. If this session helped you feel calmer and more connected, you'll love the holistic membership. It gives you complete access to our 9-week Prana series and all 9-day breathwork and meditation courses from the School of Breath. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play. Let's take the next breath of our evolution together. Join the membership and start your prana journey today. My name is Abi Dugal. Thank you for joining the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.